Good morning, everybody. This is Passport to the World, Unit 10, Grade 8, presented to you by Elaf Private School. Today we're going to learn two grammar rules, all right? The first one is going to be about modal verbs with be. The second will be about obligation in the past. All right, let's get started. The first piece of grammar we're going to use today is modal verbs with be. Now, modal verbs, as you know them, like can, could, shall, should, will, would, and must or have to or has to, or also had to in the past. Today we're going to learn three modal verbs that go with be. The first one is could be. Now, I use could be for things that are possible, all right? If you have something that is possible, you can use could be with it. For example, that man could be the actor of the movie, all right? So that man could be the actor of the movie. It's possible that that man is the actor of the movie. Now, another one is can't be. Now, can't be, I use it with impossible things. When I have something that is impossible, while I'm talking, I can use can't be. For example, that man can't be the actor of the movie. Can't here is the short form of can and not. So can't be the actor of the movie. All right, moving on. The third modal verb is must be. Must be, we use it with something that you're sure about. So let's say I am 100% sure about something. I can say must be. An example for this would be, my watch isn't here. It must be in my closet. I put it there. So I'm 100% sure that my watch is in the closet because I put it there. All right? Let's have a little exercise. If you open your workbook, page 62, you're going to find this exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with could, can't, or must. I'll give you some time. Just take your time to do this. Pause the video and do the exercise alone. Okay, the first one is take a jumper or take a jumper. It could be cold outside in the evening. Number 2, they must be mad going running in that hot weather. Number 3, that cannot be them. So that can't be them. It's too early. Okay? So the first one here shows possibility. Here shows that you are positive or sure about something. Number 3 shows you an impossible situation. Moving on, we have the second part of today's lesson, which is obligation in the past. Now everybody knows that must and have to, we use it with rules, right? Let's say you have to wake up early for school and you have to wear your uniform. Okay, you must wear your uniform to go to school. So these things are obligations. Now, the past of must and have to is had to. Now, I have an example here. Today, I have to wake up early. Yesterday, I had to wake up early. Okay, so I had an obligation. Okay, so I had to wake up early. So this is present. We don't want the present, we need the past. Yesterday, I had to wake up early. Another example is, we have to do the dishes every day. This is the rule in my house. We have to do the dishes every day. Now, if you grow up, you can say, in the past, we had to do the dishes. So we had to do the dishes in the past. That was my mom's rule in the house. We had to do the dishes. Okay? All right, let's make negative. I have a sentence here. I had to wash my car. So in the past, I had to wash my car. Now, as you can see, those two arrows show you the places that you're going to put the auxiliary verb. I didn't have to wash my car. Now, some of you might ask, why did I use have to, not had to? Well, that's a great question. Because I have this auxiliary verb, which is didn't, I have to get this verb into infinitive. So every time you have do, does, or did, you have to put the verb in infinitive form. So I didn't have to wash my car. Another example, my sister had to travel early because of COVID-19. COVID-19 means coronavirus. So the negative sentence of this is, my sister didn't have to travel early because of COVID-19. All right, the last thing today is how to make questions with had to. I'm going to use the same example here. I had to wash my car. Now, the same auxiliary verb I used in negative, which is did, with not in negative, here I use it at the beginning of the sentence. Did you have to wash your car? Of course, the answer is yes, I had to, or no, I didn't have to. Okay, another example, her mom had to buy another phone. The question is, did her mom have to buy another phone? Please don't forget that this is a question, so don't forget the question mark. All right. The last thing today is if you open your workbook, exercise number 5, complete the sentences with an appropriate form of the past of have to. So some of the sentences, like this one, is negative. This one is a question because we have a question mark here, and this one is a statement. So take your time, bring a piece of paper, pause the video, and do the exercise yourself. Okay, good job, everybody. Now, let's do them together. We got into the museum for free. We didn't have to pay. So we gave them no money. We didn't have to pay. Now, number 2 is a question, as I said. Did you have to wait long? No, only 5 minutes. All right, number 3, they had to take their projects to school last Tuesday. So they had to take their projects to school last Tuesday. Here, it's a statement. It's not negative. It's not a question. Number 4, this is a question. Did Sheza have to tidy her bedroom? Did Sheza have to tidy her bedroom? Number 5, the teachers had to work very late on the day of the exams. Okay? Well, teachers usually do that. Number 6, this is negative. I didn't have to get up early this morning. There wasn't any school. I don't think anybody is waking up early these days. Now, number 7, this is a question as well. Did you have to wear a uniform when you were at school? Did you have to wear a uniform when you were at school? Number 8, he had to take medicine for 3 weeks before he got better. Number 9, Mahir had to do exercise to lose weight. Okay, so he was practicing or exercising to lose weight. Now, Mr. Ali, this is also a negative sentence. Mr. Ali didn't have to drive to the beach because there was a bus. So Mr. Ali didn't have to drive to the beach because there was a bus. Thank you very much, everybody, and wait till another lesson. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye.